The first thing you'll be doing is attaching your 360 lace frontal onto your mannequin head, securing it with wig pins or T-pins so that it won't move when you are sewing it to your wig cap. Please make sure to measure to make sure that the lace frontal will fit your head. The mannequin that I have is my head shape, so I don't need to measure because it fits it, but please make sure that you measure it or have a mannequin that's your head size so that you don't make it too big or too small and then waste your time. This is how it should look. Try to make it as flat as possible before you start sewing it down. What you will be doing is sewing down the lace onto the wig cap first before attaching any tracks or anything else. After securely sewing the lace onto your wig cap, cut off the extra wig cap that is underneath so you have a perfect foundation for your wig. Now that you have the foundation for your wig, now you can start sewing the tracks onto it. Try to sew the tracks in a U-shape motion. Don't sew it in a circle or else you won't be able to put it in a ponytail. It won't lay flat. You only need 2 bundles for this sew-in because the 360 closure or frontal is already a lot of hair. So the thickness and the density was pretty full using the 2 complete bundles of hair. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and comment on it and subscribe to my channels for more videos. Thank you.